In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer notes from Xiaomi to Samsung. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can transfer notes that you have on Mi Notes or Xiaomi Notes to a Samsung device. However, there doesn't seem to be a way to directly transfer them, so you will need some form of bridge. The bridge that I'm going to be using in this video, and it's the one that I recommend, is going to be Google Keep. So sadly, for this particular method, you will need to transfer your notes from Xiaomi to Google Keep first, and then from Google Keep into Samsung. It seems to be the most convenient way, although it can be annoying if you have hundreds or thousands of notes, but still it is what I'm going to be displaying here for this particular video. If you browse through these settings on Xiaomi Notes, you will notice that even though you can synchronize it with Xiaomi Cloud, there doesn't seem to be anything else that you can do. So you cannot synchronize with Google Drive, with Samsung Notes, and so on. So this is why we are using Google Keep. First, make sure that you have Google Keep installed. Now, open any note on your Xiaomi Notes app and then tap the share button that you see here at the top. By tapping share, you will be able to either save it locally and then import it into Google Keep, or you can look for the option to share with Google Keep directly, so see if Google Keep appears on the list of shareable applications. Alternatively, you can also try sharing with Google Drive and then signing in with your Google Drive account later on your Samsung device. Either way, it is going to work. So once you have shared your Xiaomi Notes with Google Keep, you will be able to retrieve them. So this is what the app looks like. You can also download it for iOS. So when you open Google Keep, you will have to sign in with your Google account. And as long as you use the same Google account on the Xiaomi device where you originally imported them, and also the Samsung device, your notes will be transferred over. So you will send them from Xiaomi to Google Keep, and by using the same Google account on your Samsung device with Google Keep downloaded, you will retrieve them there. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.